Today we're going to look at the Jet Motors alternator kit. Now, we have been using these for a few years now and we love them because they are ultra compact. Look at that, it's about the size of your fist. There's no external fan to get your fingers, you know, when you're trying to open the bonnet, you don't want to get your fingers cut off. But anyway, there's no external fan, it's internal. These put out about 50 amps at 5,000 RPM. They put about 60 amps at 6,000 RPM. These are wonderful alternators. They're modern, they're compact, and they're really easy to hook up because we do include this alloy alternator bracket, which goes on the bottom of the alternator. This goes to the water pump, and the electrical hookup is really easy. If you look here, you got a 10 millimeter nut on a post. Those are all your brown wires. Those go directly to the 12 volt source or battery constant, okay? This spade terminal closest to the post is 12 volt key on. Now that one right there, we usually go to the 12 volt or the positive side of the ignition coil because that's just key on. We know that works really well. You can use any 12 volt key on. That excites the alternator and tells it to start charging. This is the brown wire with yellow stripe. That is your light. That is the red ignition light on your speedometer. So see how easy that is? 3 wires. All the browns go to the 12 volt battery, 12 volt key on source, and your ignition light. So there is the alternator and the optional billet aluminum 2-inch pulley, or actually it's 2.8. And then we also have a 4-inch billet pulley. So let's go take a look at one of these on the car installed. So if you'll spin around, come on over here. All right then, here we are looking at an alternator actually installed. So look at how easy this is. You can see here how the lower bracket mounts to what was existing pillar down there on the bottom of the timing cover. And then you can see here how the bolt goes through the water pump. Pretty simple, huh? And then you can see here how we have the brown wires going to the 12 volt constant, the brown with yellow stripe going to the ignition light, and this is a white wire. That's our 12 volt key on. Also, that's the positive side of the coil. That's going to go right here. So that's how straightforward it really is. So there's another example over here. Come on over here. I'm telling you, we put these on every build we do. We sell a lot of them, you guys. There's a reason for that. They're really small, they're compact, they're powerful, they're easy to wire, and they're very attractive. So if you haven't checked them out, go check out the new kits at jetmotorsmini.com and get yourself an alternator kit for your Mini. See you there.